Magic Marker, Episode 29. What do you do on Tuesdays?
Grandmother, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. What do you do on Tuesdays?
I play soccer.
I go to the library. What about Maxie and Taco?
Oh, they play at home. They play badminton or basketball.
What do you do on Saturdays? We go to the zoo. The zoo! I love the zoo. Let's go to the zoo tomorrow. What are you doing, Maxie?
Wait a minute. She isn't their grandmother.
Little Fox.
Magic Marker, Episode 30. Do you have a jacket?
Grandmother, do you have a t-shirt?
No, I don't. Do you have some shorts? No, I don't.
But we're going to the zoo. Do you have a jacket?
Oh, yes, I do. Maxie, draw a t-shirt and some shorts for Grandma.
Taco, she is not their grandmother. Here is a t-shirt. Here are some shorts.
Thanks, Maxie. Maxie, Taco, let's go. What are we going to do, Maxie?
Little Fox.